People are not going to always understand us. We each have to know ourselves so incredibly well. We have a unique expression. It's not going to be like everyone else's, especially those of us who came as guardians with a particular template to assist during these times, because we are creating a world that doesn't look like one that we see. We're creating a world based on the new architecture that we're resurrecting within ourselves. And if you are playing somebody else's game, then you're never going to connect with and find the people who are meant to actually be connected to you. And if you know that that's true, then wouldn't you go all in? And the consequence of that is that you will lose people who are not aligned to that timeline that is your highest timeline. You will lose those people. But what you will gain is far greater. What you will gain is everything.
Rowan is absolutely spot on here. When you choose your authenticity, regardless of people understanding you, accepting you, or even rejecting you, you restore your authenticity, your timeless and eternal radiance, and resolve to express that at maximum levels, defiantly, triumphantly, so that the false timelines you're no longer subscribed to fall away, and the timeline you want to be on appears, with all the delicious people and landscapes that mirror your true chosen abilities. This is the point in your life where you rebirth your bravery, the mission you came to live, to be unapologetically you, and that your faith is renewed in such a cosmos-sized adventure, with your wild and dynamic potency recovered as a full-body instrument of inscrutable, outrageous quantum intelligence, the embodied union of the heavens and the earth that this world is asking to see again.